I don't know if you can hear that. That is just static. And actually, if you're listening carefully, you can hear some CW. I figured out what was wrong with my with the buzz that I was getting on my in my sound, my audio amp. I was getting that annoying buzz. I'll try and reproduce it here for you so you can hear the buzz I was referring to. And then I'll show you what it is that actually was responsible for that. Yeah, you hear that? It's this thing. This thing here. It's this digital voltmeter. It's just a 7-segment display. I got it off of eBay for really cheap. It's DSN-DVM-368. I don't remember what it was described as online, but it was just such a great deal. I picked a bunch of these up for another project, and I think I might have mentioned before why I used these. I was having problems with wires touching where they weren't supposed to, and I was short-circuiting stuff, and I was blowing fuses on my multimeter, so I installed one of these so it would be a quick indicator of whether or not I was drawing too much current in my circuit. And it was great, but it was the only thing that I had in my circuit that that was unusual compared to what anyone else has been doing. So I eventually tried disconnecting it, and sure enough, as soon as I disconnected it, that annoying hum or buzz that I was getting in my audio went away. And I was able to get rid of this huge 2200 microfarad capacitor as well. So that's great. Everything's working. And then tonight I noticed, using my RTL SDR, that there was some CW action at 7.033. And so right now I'm just tuned slightly off frequency. A few hundred hertz off frequency, just so that I can actually hear a tone when because it's just a direct conversion here. I don't have any crystal filter or anything. And so initially I wasn't hearing anything, and I thought maybe my receiver wasn't actually working except for very strong signals, but sure enough, tonight I had some signals coming in through the RTL SDR, so I connected the antenna up to my receiver, and I can hear it. It's just very faint. And I think they're fairly nearby signals, fairly strong, because I think I mentioned before, I'm just using a very short dipole for receiving right now because I don't have the space to set up a large dipole. So anyway, I solved the audio problem, and first signals received using my home-built direct conversion receiver. That's all I have for you this time. Thanks for watching. Bye.